This is the least amount of case you can put on and still call it a case. So let's check it out. Today we're keeping it simple with a whole bunch of bumpers. Flexible all around, they're made with a soft rubber interior and held together with a polycarbonate shell exterior. Installation is simple, go in topside first and snap the opposite corners in place. It does feel good in the hand, but the first thing you'll notice is the lack of case around back. Buttons have a large raised cover making them easy to feel out and have a clicky response. A large mute rocker cutout for any size finger, and that naked rear end of the iPhone. Don't worry, the bumper bezel is tall enough to cover your camera lens when smacked down. Deep but wide cutouts along the bottom, and of course wireless charging compatible still. The edges of the case have a matte finish, although quite tall and curved. The bezel allows for my fingers to grasp onto something during usage. Now there is a little give in the bumper, but that's only if you really tug at it. During usage, I didn't feel it move around in my hand at all. Now the bumper does add some thickness, but that's only to accommodate the tall bezels, as you don't feel any case elsewhere. The obvious setback with bumper cases is the lack of, well, case covering the backside of your iPhone. There are tall bezels around the case that work great on flat surfaces, but if this is your style of case, I highly recommend you pair this with the Patchworks Back Glass I smashed a hammer with in a previous review, as it won't bulk up your style, but add that invisible layer of protection you won't regret having. Now with that rear end covered with the back glass, to complete the package, you want to cover the front too. Again, thick lips are great for flat surfaces, but you never know where the next pebble is hiding. And do note, the case isn't useless either. It's got some padded corners they call Poron XRD, which sort of feels like a sponge material designed to absorb impact, along with the interior pattern edges to disperse it throughout the case, but I highly recommend you also go with your favorite screen protector. I also reviewed their Patchworks silicate screen protectors and found that to be basically smash proof as well, and double-sided smash resistance gets a thumbs up from me. This specific silicate screen protector is part of their privacy series, which basically stops random strangers from peeking at your text messages. Looking directly onto your screen is fine, but anyone standing to your left or right will basically see darkness. Now the downside is this does affect your screen quality. You'll see a faint screen door effect on it, and that's something I don't personally mind, but if you want that 24/7 crispy look, go with their regular silicate series. Now with everything combined, you've got that minimalist way to show off your original iPhone look. In the time that I tested this, the bumper didn't come loose on any ports or edges, although it was a short period of time, but the polycarbonate layer is designed to hold its shape over time as well. In the end, if you're looking to show off your iPhone X with the least amount of case, the Silhouette is a very affordable option. Just make sure to combine it with the back and front screen protector. Pair this with their back glass and silicate screen protector, and you've got the perfect solution to show off your iPhone. A big shout out to Patchworks for sponsoring the case and review. It's a huge support for what I do on this channel, but I had complete creative freedom and all opinions expressed are from my own brain. As always, check out my new store linked below for accessorizing merchandise and old accessories I no longer use and you can pick up at a bargain price. Like and subscribe if you want to see more, and leave a comment below letting me know what case you want me to review next. I rest my bumper case.